In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily show or hide photos of your contacts in Messages application on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. If we open up Messages app, we can see their pictures that particular users set as their profile pictures in their Apple ID. However, we can easily turn off this setting if it is necessary. To do that, we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down and tap at Messages. And basically, guys, if we scroll down a bit, that's where we can easily find the option which is called Show Contact Photos, and by tapping right here, we can easily turn it off. Now let's hop out Settings and open up Messages to check how it looks like now. As you can see, now it is no longer showing any profile pictures at our Messages list. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.